Did you know that you can change the theme on your Google slide presentation? Yes, you can, and it's very easy to do. So, if you're working on any presentation, guys, and you have your presentation ready, and you feel like, you know what, I want to change the theme does not fit well, or you're just not satisfied. How can you easily do that? All you have to do is just click on slides from the menu option and look towards the bottom, and you'll have change theme. Just simple click on that. And on the right hand side, you'll have the theme options appear there. So you can just simply go through and find something that you like. I'm going to go ahead and choose something here. And if you look here as well, you can import a theme if you have something that you want. So maybe let's choose this one. So let's say I want to use this theme. I can click on the focus theme, and you will see that it changed the entire content, each pages into that theme. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So at any point in time you feel like you want to change the theme of your presentations, you can easily do that by finding a theme. Of course, you want to go to the slides option from the menus there and find the theme that you wish to change to. And then once you do that, you can just select the theme that you want, and your presentation will be changed into that theme. And that's it.